Alright guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today you come in here, please I say subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button. Okay, I just quickly want to do this. At least I'm supposed to be on the rest, but I just want to do this. I have about 8 to 10 soap I want to show us for us that I'll be using different type of soap. Now I can easily tell you that. Let me introduce this to you, that so that you can be using on your own. Now this is sugar whitening soap. Look at it. Sugar whitening soap. If you've not seen, look at it. It's for brightening. It's for brightening, not so just to make your skin pop up well. When they say whitening, and I know a lot of whitening soap that they will say this is whitening, but it's not going to come up the way you expect. So apparently that is why you have to maybe premix, or you have to maybe just use something else like not a bleaching soap, but a soap that you can be using regular all the time. The reason, don't go get any soap that you just because it's this they say it's whitening, so you go for it. No, you should know if the soap is rich. Like this soap I'm telling you is practically rich. Are you getting it? Yes, we have AHA there. So like a collaboration between E and AHA, but there's AHA there, So and we have let's quickly go through. It said uh vitamin B3, you see, so which are very very good for the skin. So sometimes if we are following some product and we know this product is a product that you like, you have to look what it contains for the body, for the skin. Are you getting it? So if you see any VitGold product, I will always advise you to go for it because it's a VitGold product. Are you getting it? So and it have all it takes for the skin to pop up very well. It's not going to look like some skin that you're using. You try to use all kind of soap for or cream for, yet you're not having what you're supposed to get. Are you getting it? So with what we have in here, it's very very, and again listen, it's very very rich, that it reduce the skin, from any aging process. Are you getting it? So we have vitamin B3 there, and it moisturize your skin very well as well. And we have AHA, so it's a herbal extract. So with all this kind of soap, if you use this soap regularly with any Vigo treatment oil, you use it regularly, trust me, you will always get what you want, just to lighten your skin or brighten your skin. But if you want to top it up, like a pop-up, you want it to white, like something, meaning you have to use any other customized cream like yellow CC, or you use like blema oil or Malawi oil, or you use others kind of whitening oils, or you can use Blend Pro 9. It's a product, it's my own product. Are you getting it? So that is that. Now another one I want to show you is this glutathione injection. Yes, I've shown you this now. So this is glutathione injection. This is a 9 soap also. Let it be original. If it's not original, that's where the problem lies on. But when it's original, yes, you always get the color. Don't just think because the ladies the picture is very white, so no. I only believe only customized soap that can be that, or it might tone some people, or it might bright, but not you think as it's gonna be white like the lady. That is a foul lie, or a goat lie. So but this one, what I tell you, constant using with the right lotion, it will always give you that tone you need. It will always give you that. Let's quickly see some of the how to use it and all that. You can, yes, the question you asked me, I will not forget, can it be used directly? Or of course it can be used directly. These are not those ozone soap, Ghana white balls. Know that you cannot use directly unless if need be, if your how will I put it, your dermatologist say you should use it directly to your skin for some reasons, that you can use it. But other than that, there's no need of you using it. And let's quickly see what we have vitamin C in here, and we have what is it called, AHA. Yes, we have giga white. Wow, nice. It's a rich soap. Like what I tell you, It's not just be I want to get white. Look at the formula, the things are being made of, which all these are very good for the skin. So if giga white is here, so there's everything is a constant use is gonna lighten your skin and put you in the better position you want. So with this said about two soap, now the Vit Gold and this glutathione injection. Now I'm coming with this one, a very nice one. I tell you a fact. Okay, look at it. This one. Yes. A lot of people did ask me about this soap the other time when I made review on this, that does it really work? I won't tell you that if it works or not, because I have not used it, but people who have used it always complain that it works a lot, this particular soap. And the reason why I'm telling you, because a lady I know myself, that yes, she buy my product a lot. She got this for her daughter, about 25 years of age, her daughter. So she uses, she was the one that gave the testimony that this soap works a lot, that in fact I should use it to do review. So I was not asking, did they bribe you to tell me to do it? And said no, that it works a lot. So if you ever see this kind of soap in any way that if you know is original, because there is a code on the back that you always scan. So if you see that is original, get it and use it. Then if you want to use it, because she always uses it with my lotion, if you want to use it, you can use it with any whitening lotion, not that the one that will give you white patches, then you will lie on this soap, that is this soap. No, use with the right lotion and get the right the right solution answer you need to your problem. All right, even if you don't have any problem, you just want to use it, yes, you're free to use it, and it's all skin type. Then I show you another one, this Mekako. Look at it, this Mekako. All of you know this Mekako, and I just want you to understand that we have different type of Mekako. This one is 3-in-1, so you should always have this in mind. When you're using this one, either you go for this one or you go for we have different type of Mekako soap. So this one is 3-in-1 and it's very good for the skin. You understand? Any product that I know that they are 3-in-1, most of the 3-in-1 product, even if na bad they do am, I know so that product go try how much more original, because this one original, no be about. You see this one, you have another sachet inside. So don't be, when people say, oh, it's always on sachet, let me show you. So look at it. This is how it looks. It's original. So if you see that if it's not in a sachet, know that it's about. So please have this in mind, that what I've shown you is original. 3-in-1 Mekako soap is original. Then the question said, Ikeshi, let me answer your question. You said, can we use all of them you're showing us for? You can use all of them for premixing. Yes, you can use them. You want to, like those days when I started new, I always make sure that all the soap I use, they are rich soap and expensive soap. Don't just think because I'm showing you, they are rich and expensive. Some of them they are 1,500, 2,000. Some of them they are 700, 800. So don't think they are this 300 naira soap, because those of you always want you want to buy 300 naira soap, you want to buy 100 naira soap. Wait till do soda. Why you no go buy soda and use soda? Soda, you see they work now. Use soda for yourself. Where you know how it be, where go use soda for yourself. Not go the ask of all this expensive soap finish. You call the price 300, 400, 500. No, you could have been using soda. All right. So this one is Clotec. So it's a glutathione product. Are you getting it? It's 2-in-1. So this is another soap I will always tell you. Any soap that is glutathione product, they are very nice on the skin. They are very, very nice on the skin. So don't even think about it. Unless not fake. If not fake, run from it, please. Run from it. This is another one. This is Clotec. So please make sure you get this one and use also. Now I want to show you this Konkuba one I've been trying to show you ever since. Wow, this one is good for those of us having redness and all that. This is one of the best soap I will advise you to use. For you having redness, it will always calm your face. It will always is a treatment soap, not just ordinary soap. Like, it's a treatment soap. So have this in mind, that if you get this, let's quickly see, like, and say, oh wow, you see, there's something I'm checking now. If there's here. Yes, it's skin white, and it's all skin type. That's what I'll be trying to tell you. It's all skin type. Are you getting it? And it helps to calm your redness, and if you have any of all this crow at the face also, it's good. Sometimes I just melt it inside water and I use it to dap my face a lot. This one, yes, I use it to dap my face a lot. If you can see my face now, right now, my face is getting, my own color is getting darker because I've stopped using the lotion I've been using, because I'm coming up with another good idea whereby you guys will see me. Maybe when you see me today, in the next 3 days you see me fair, so you want to ask me what is the magic behind it. So we're doing something, we're cooking something for the new year. Now I'll show you this carrot. A lot of you know this carrot product because they said, once somebody said I'm allergic to carrots. First of all, not you are allergic to carrot, or another person say I'm allergic to collagen. First of all, check your immune system, right? Maybe you need to boost it and boost it proper. That is why I will always tell you, not every soap you say, I'm allergic, it did this, it did that to me. This is a very pure carrot gold. Like, I know this soap is one of the soap that I always use as I did way back. I use a lot of soap because I just want to test and I can give review. And if I use soap for 3 months, when I see that no side effect, I'll talk about it. I make a review about it because it's good and it's good. So now this skin success, a lot of you be asking me do a review on the skin success. So this is this anti-dark spots. So this is soap for all skin type also. Go for this soap too, is the best soap. For those of you who be asking me what soap will you use, I've made a review for all this soap, so you know that this soap that we've made review, they are all original. You can only use them when they are original, but if they are not original, please desist from it. Desist from it if they are not original. Please don't buy anything fake because it will harm your skin. Your health is very wonderful for us. All right, so thank you. Bye bye.